Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to add subtitles to videos in DaVinci Resolve. Let's get started. First, launch DaVinci Resolve and open a project that you want to add subtitles. Then here at the bottom of the screen, click the Edit tab. Then here, right-click the timeline area where your audio or video tracks are. Then select Add Subtitle Tracks, then click Add Subtitle Track 1. Then right-click on a new subtitle track and choose Add Subtitle. A subtitle will appear into the timeline, and here you can edit the subtitle text. Just go to Inspector panel and type your subtitle in the text field. Adjust the fonts, color, size, and more. You can also add more subtitle clips if you want, and align each subtitle with correct part of your video. And after that, export with subtitles. Go to Deliver Page and Subtitle Settings, and you can burn into video to embed subtitles directly into the video. And export a separate file. And that's how you add subtitles in your videos in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.